Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table using Canva. Whether you're working on projects for work or personal use, tables can be a great way to organize information clearly and concisely. Let's dive in and see how you can easily add a table to any of your Canva designs. First, you'll want to open Canva and start a new design project or open an existing one. Once you're in the design space, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice the sidebar where you can access all the elements you need for your design. Click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva houses a plethora of features, including shapes, graphics, and of course, tables, which is what we'll focus on today. In the search bar at the top of this window, you're going to type the word table. This action will filter out the results to show only elements that are relevant to creating a table. Canva offers various pre-made table templates and designs, which makes it incredibly convenient to find something that fits your aesthetic and needs. After typing in table, you'll see multiple options pop up. Browse through these templates to find one that suits the look you're going for in your design. Once you've found a table you want to use, simply click on it and drag it over to your canvas area. Drop it right where you want it to appear on your design. Dragging and dropping elements within Canva is intuitive and allows you to place items exactly where you envision them. Now that you have your table on the canvas, it's time to customize it. You can click on any cell within the table to start typing. Canva allows you to input data directly into the table's cells, just like you would in a spreadsheet program. This is particularly useful for entering text, numbers, and other data that you need to present in a structured format. To personalize your table further, you can adjust its color, size, and border properties to fit the style of your document. This customization ensures that your table not only communicates the necessary information effectively, but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your design. With these simple steps, you've now successfully added and customized a table in Canva. This feature will surely make your projects look organized and professional without requiring too much effort or time. Remember, the key to designing effectively in Canva is to explore and experiment with its wide array of options.